Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, there is something they are hiding from you people on the social media. There is something going on behind closed door. Hey, my lovely fans, all is not well in the household of Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie is in a critical condition. Oh, hey! Yul Edochie is in a critical condition. No wonder Yul Edochie go silent. No wonder Yul Edochie run enter house. I talk and say there is something chasing this man. When this man just decided to go mute, abi no be the Isimiri Jofo we know before, Oga Pepper them. What stop him from peppering me Edochie? He don't tire. Hey, now they go tell us say Yul Edochie wan rebrand. Hey, how wish na rebrand na be Yul Edochie problem. If for better o kini kan, but now the condition of Yul Edochie that is secretly facing is more than rebrand. No wonder Oga can close him mouth. No wonder Yul Edochie cannot talk anymore. The man has finally seen wetin big person. Abeg, make una draw una chair, draw una joko, carry una popcorn, una coke and biscuit, make una come hear tori. Hey, this is what they are hiding from you people. They are distracting the whole social media with different things. But this is the core of the matter of what is going on in the household of Yul Edochie. Payback time has finally come. I told Yul Edochie, me personally, I tell Yul Edochie, I warn her before Kambili, no yeah. I warn her, say this thing, a time will come. You know, yeah. See the situation where Yul Edochie go end itself. Chai, my people, wonder shall never end. There is one thing that I will never involve myself in. That is called abomination. Anything abomination counts me out. I don't want this my hands to be stained with abomination. Yul Edochie, abomination when e dey head, e be like person wey carry elephant put for head. Finally, payback time has come for Yul Edochie. Chai, what a sad news. Even the father, Peter Edochie, the man is frustrated. The man don't know where to start from. The whole things have become critical. According to wetin they carry, come tell us. Yul Edochie, abomination that he committed, he don't overfull for buckets. Yul Edochie, he brokos. He brokos. Na no na gbola. Those two blow wey dey there. One don't big pass one. One they swell up. They can't say, wetin dey happen? Yul Edochie come dey say wetin dey happen. He can't run to the hospital. You know, men they have this cancer of blockers. They get am well. So Yul Edochie was afraid. He ran to the hospital, say, look at his situation. He don't know what is happening. They did all the exam. They did all the tests. They did everything they can do. They said they can't find anything wrong with him, that everything is okay with him. So they now gave him medication because they say, if not that sickness where they worry me for blockers, they say sometimes, they quit they show sign. So they gave him medication. They put him on medication that he should be taking that. If the thing gets serious, he should come back again. They give Yul Edochie the medication. You go ask where they take out. No sign of healing. No sign of it is getting better. No sign of it is getting smaller. The thing was getting bigger. Hey, wonder shall never end. Why Yul Edochie was still on the medication? If you go hospital, they will still add to another one, join another one. Not knowing that wetin they do Yul Edochie, he different. So, after Yul Edochie was going through that one, surprisingly, something strange began to happen in the life of Yul Edochie. According to the information, Yul Edochie go dey public place, like in moving locations, in where there are people. Automatically, Yul Edochie will just stand up. He go just waka leave everybody. Sometimes you think maybe the person wants to go and receive phone call or something. They say he go just stand up. He go just waka leave them. He will just talk. He will be communicating with people, telling them, okay, now I'm going. You people say I should go. I'm going. Hey, I cannot even sit down and talk with people again. If I go here, you people will say I should leave. If I go there, you people say I should leave. Where do you people even want me to stay? Everybody will be surprised. They'll be asking Yul Edochie, who are you talking to? Yul Edochie will say, look at them now. These old men, they are disturbing my life. They are stressing me. And these people are not seeing any old men. No. It is only Yul Edochie that is seeing the old men. The people will now be surprised. They saw Yul Edochie doing this thing a lot of time. To the extent, they called the father, they informed the father that look at what is going on. When the father even invited Yul Edochie to his house, Yul Edochie can't even do the worst. As the father invited him to his house, when they follow Yul Edochie, they talk, say, see what people they talk. What is happening to you? The next thing, Yul Edochie get up, start to they run around Pete Edochie house. They ran down. And you know, traditional men believe anything that have to do with rounding is RIP, traditionally. For those real traditional men, they know they agree me anything round them. So Pete Edochie, they try stopping Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie say cannot stop. The old men are telling him to run round. To run. This one who they talk, so they run, don't tire. He said they say make it they run. You go they breathe. They say the mother was crying. Yul Edochie mama they cry. How did we end here? How did we get to this place? Now, the father called him so that he will come and explain to him what is happening. He reached his papa house and not that one. And Yul Edochie can do. Hey, Chineke. That was when the father know that what is happening is not ordinary. What is happening is not ordinary. My people, before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Meryl True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all in Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen. So, my lovely fans, Pete Edochie look and say, this is not ordinary. This is not a physical something. This is more of a spiritual. Pete Edochie carry Yul Edochie. Say, oh yeah, let's go somewhere. For inside that situation, they carry Yul Edochie. The papa carry Yul Edochie to somewhere. Told them they don't know what is wrong with his son. Please, they should check for him. They should seek from their ancestors who is worrying his son. You see, as Yul Edochie character bad rich upon all the evil wey this Isimiri Jofodo do, they no first sit down think say whether na the evil wey this man do na dey worry am. Their thought was that who is worrying their son? Who send an evil arrow to their son? That is what they went to seek for. But surprisingly, on getting there, waiting they hear with their 2 ears, it shocked them. That after the seer that the father took Yul Edochie to, did a lot of cantations. They told the father that Yul Edochie waiting the warrior na abomination. The abomination he committed na the warrior. He cup don't fool. Pete Edochie was surprised. Pete Edochie asked them, what do we do now? The seer tried to communicate with the ancestors of Yul Edochie. They say ancestors no answer them. They say the ancestors turned their back against Yul Edochie. No reply, no answer. According to the seer tell Pete Edochie say, waiting they do your pikin. The ancestors has refused to answer. But waiting they do your pikin na abomination when he commits. They only told them that he slept with married woman. They did not tell them the married woman. They said the thing where they worry Yul Edochie is that he slept with a married woman. He committed abomination. His hands are not clean. He put his hands into a lot of evil traditional things. Say, now he don't backfire and so. say abomination, na they disturb am. And the ancestors, they visited him. The Peter Edochie asked, what can he do? Now the seer tell Peter Edochie say it is too late. They cannot do anything anymore. They should just stay and wait and let the ancestors do their way. Now Peter Edochie say never. Say that one cannot happen. There must be a solution. There must be something that need to be done. Now the seer, they say the seer shake. Now seer tell Peter Edochie say, the only thing that will happen is for Yul Edochie to go and apologize to the husband of the woman when he sleep with. Because at this point, Yul Edochie ancestors has refused to answer. They've turned their back against Yul Edochie. Hey, say Yul Edochie, everything wey they do, say now the ancestors, now they throw those sickness, they give Yul Edochie. And they don't know the next step where they won't take. According to the seer, he said this one where Yul Edochie don't feel they see them, don't feel they communicate with them. He said the end of the story will be bad. He said too bad. He told Peter Edochie, you are a traditional man. You know what it is to communicate with the ancestors. Then when they talk to the ancestors, when the ancestors appear, then they put head down because you cannot see them. Anybody that want to see the ancestors, you need to join them in the other world. You cannot see them while you are in this world. You can hear them, they can talk to you. If they appear, they put their head down. They know they look them for face. They know they look them. But Yul Edochie have started seeing his ancestors. That means you know what it means. They say no solution, okay, no solution. Say Yul Edochie would have done this cleansing, why not do one? You don't say we will talk for this social media. Yul Edochie go and do cleansing. No, Yul Edochie refused to listen. Now they say the ancestors have turned their back against him. Anything can happen at any time. Peter Edochie say no, nothing will happen to his son. He will protect his son. And they say go beg the person when Yul Edochie sleep with his wife, so that that person will talk to his elders. The elders will talk to their ancestors. If those people ancestors talk what they want, Yul Edochie clear road, then to communicate with Yul Edochie ancestors will be easy. And Peter Edochie comes okay. And they come ask Yul Edochie, say Yul Edochie, which person did you sleep with that is a married woman? Yul Edochie said, Juju Ekwensu. Una dey hear? Is it not the same Juju Ekwensu that said, I have left my husband's house before I know Yul Edochie? Whereas she has been knocking Yul Edochie from her husband's house. The second woman, now one woman will be say, they even drag Yul Edochie come out on social media at that time. The husband of that woman was so angry. The husband went to report Yul Edochie to his family member. The elders of that woman husband, they even call Yul Edochie, say make he leave their brother wife alone. I don't know what this man see in married women. Who know whether now only 3 or they even past 3? Hey! So Peter Edochie was confused though. Where will they start up? Where will they start begging from? Is it Mr. Obasi or the second one or the first one? Where they won't start from? Yul Edochie said it's 3 married women now they sleep with. Not only Juju Ekwensu, but sleeping with 2 other married women. Join Juju Ekwensu. Hey! The father come weak. Now the native, the seer told Peter Edochie that the only solution is for them to go and beg these people. These men, may they go beg their family people. Let them beg their ancestors so that they can set Yul Edochie free. Wonder shall never end, my lovely fans. Now, where will Peter Edochie start from? Who will he start apologizing to? Who will he start begging? Yul Edochie is in critical condition right now. They say that's why una no dey hear from her like that too. And they meet the man. The man, they behave strange. The spirit of abomination has visited him. And this time around, only God will save Yul Edochie. Because Yul Edochie has begun to talk with his ancestors. Yul Edochie has started communicating with them. I personally told Yul Edochie, go do cleansing. So this man did not do the cleansing. No wonder I know if he leave Juju Ekwensu. He did not do cleansing. Juju Ekwensu now, the woman don't try to come out on social media to build herself. Now, she say she don't take social media serious now because she know that Yul Edochie is in a critical condition now. The woman don't throw away Yul Edochie for one corner now. She don't come out for social media. She won't build herself for social media because that fame, now she need to use them before Yul Edochie go. Before anything happen to Yul Edochie. Because at this point, nobody know their next step. Nobody know the next action the ancestors will take. Now Yul Edochie papa and mama and they run up and down. The same Juju Ekwensu that caused this whole kasala. She don't fold her hand, go they build a page. She waited they happen to Yul Edochie no concern her now. She's trying to build a page, build herself. Because very soon, if actions are not taken, Yul Edochie will be in more severe and critical condition. Because the spirit of abomination, they have visited him. There is no forgiveness here at all. Unless they desire for a sacrifice. That is the only way Yul Edochie can be set free. Now, don't just say call God though, because God can never answer Yul Edochie. No talk and say me they carry and go church. You know, go. The prayer of that pastor no go work. Because Yul Edochie even offended God. And he has not even acknowledged his sin. Before God will forgive anybody, you need to say, oh God, I'm sorry, forgive me. When the person say, God, forgive me, then God will not say, okay, this person is really serious, is really sorry from the depth of his or her heart. But Yul Edochie is not sorry for what he did. If Yul Edochie have opportunity to even do worse, he will do. So don't even say Yul Edochie they should take him to church. If they carry and go church, he not go work. Make it just face the ancestors there where they true will give him. God has separated them. Because God saw the danger that is coming. If not be say Yul Edochie go commit abomination, it would have been difficult before any arrow can strike Kambili-Chukwu. That abomination is already on the head of this boy. They say Yul Edochie condition is critical. The father don't know what to do at this point. Now Yul Edochie, how many women sleep with? 3 married women. Now he sleep with 3 married women. Which one won't go start to beg the ancestors? Where won't for starts? Hey, thank God that the children not there. You see this abomination, now no see our children, now they attack. The person will commit and be the last way they can attack. But see the way God push Yul Edochie come up for the life of May Edochie and the children so that he go use the hair to carry sin. This is what is going on now. They said Yul Edochie no they stay public like that again. Because if he did there, he go talk to himself, he will be communicating with his ancestors. Sometimes he will stand up and start running. People will be thinking this man they do sports. Now people don't understand. Say, what did they do this man not be ordinary? Why some are thinking that his karma is this? It is abomination. He slept with married women. Not be only woman where he married, he sleep with man, they carry abomination. No. Even men, you don't have right to sleep with a woman that is married. It is called abomination. I don't know the other things that Yul Edochie did in the dark when he the warrior. This is the situation of Yul Edochie. They say the situation don't be critical. It don't be critical. If you even they talk to Yul Edochie, go say, let him ask the ancestors. Let him hear what the ancestors will say. Now go this man deal. Now go Yul Edochie day. Finally, the abomination he committed has hit up with him. They don't know where to start from. Everything have turned against them. They say the mama, they cry. The father is confused. They don't know where to start from. One dash shall never end. Oh. This is what is going on right now. Yul Edochie not being safe. Now I make Yul Edochie they run come up for social media. And they meet that man. They say hand they meet son. They say sometimes only one go wake up for night. He not go sleep. He go talk. You know all those talk where person will talk. You don't tire, but you cannot. The person cannot stop. Now so they do Yul Edochie. They do one like person wey want colo. They do Yul Edochie like person wey want mad. Sometimes if you do finish, there's only one go they cry. See the situation where Yul Edochie end itself because of Juju Ekwensu. You see, see where he put himself. Now the Juju Ekwensu not send her like that. Oh, Juju Ekwensu won't quit build her channel. Now not see the way they consistency for social media right now. She want to make the money by thunder by fire now because Yul Edochie condition na only God know wetin go happen to am. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you, inshallah.